News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I'm Anuja Kumar giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today we will be discussing about vacancies in Ministry of Finance, Defence Research and Development Organisation, Centre for Disability Sports, Gwalior, National Disaster Management Authority, Ministry of Jal Shakti, Wireless Monitoring Organisation, Prasar Bharati News Services Division of All India Radio, National Institute of Animal Biotechnology, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel National Police Academy, Hyderabad, and Safdarjung Hospital, New Delhi. Ministry of Finance invites applications in the prescribed proforma from eligible persons for filling up one vacancy of cameraman in the Department of Economic Affairs on deputation or absorption basis. Controlling officers of the applicants are requested that the applications of such eligible candidates who are desirous of being considered for the post and who can be relieved immediately on selection may be forwarded along with attested photocopies of last 5 years ACR or APAR dossier, vigilance clearance and integrity certificate to the concerned authority within a period of 60 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in the Employment News or Rozgar Samachar. Defence Research and Development Organisation invites applications from eligible candidates for filling up one post of Joint Director Accounts to be posted at Hyderabad and 2 posts of Chief Accounts Officer to be posted at Delhi and Vishakhapatnam on deputation basis. It is requested that application in the prescribed proforma along with photocopies of completed and up-to-date APARs for the last 5 years of the officers who could be spared in the event of their selection may be sent within 60 days from the date of circulation or publication of this advertisement in Employment News or Rozgar Samachar. Centre for Disability Sports, Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities, Divyangjan, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India, invites applications for one post of Director to be filled on deputation basis at newly established Centre for Disability Sports at Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. For complete details regarding educational qualifications, experience, terms and conditions and application form etc., please visit the websites www.disabilityaffairs.gov.in or www.niepid.nic.in. Last date for submission of application form is 30 days from the date of publication of notification in the Employment News. National Disaster Management Authority invites applications from Indian national having requisite qualification and experience for one post of Senior Consultant Landslide and Avalanche and one post of Consultant Geographical Information System. Interested individuals may send their biodata in the prescribed proforma available on the website www.ndma.gov.in along with statement of purpose in 250 words maximum and copies of certificates establishing their educational qualification. Experience to the concerned authority within 20 days from the date of publication of advertisement in the Employment News. Department of Water Resources, River Development and Ganga Rejuvenation, Ministry of Jal Shakti, Government of India invites application for engagement of 2 consultants on contract basis in Farakka Barrage project by inviting application from retired government officers as per details and eligibility criteria and terms and conditions provided in Department of Water Resources, River Development and Ganga Rejuvenation and Farakka Barrage projects website www.jalshakti-dowr.gov.in and www.fbp.gov.in. Last date for receipt of application is 2 weeks from date of publication in Employment News. Those who had applied earlier need not apply again. Department of Telecommunications, Ministry of Communication intends to fill up one post of Senior Administrative Officer in Wireless Monitoring Organisation Headquarters on promotion or transfer on deputation basis, composite method. The application form and the vacancy circular containing eligibility conditions, etc. are available on the department's website www.dot.gov.in. The last date of receipt of applications is 45 days from the date of publication of this notice in Employment News. Prasar Bharati News Services Division, All India Radio, invites applications from experienced and dynamic persons for engagement as of Senior Correspondent Legal in Prasar Bharati, NSD, AIR on full-time contract basis based at New Delhi. Those candidates who are eligible and willing to work on the terms and conditions mentioned in detailed advertisement, having requisite qualification and experience, may apply online on Prasar Bharati web link www.applications.prasarbharati.org. Within 15 days from the date of publication on Prasar Bharati website, along with self-attested copies of supporting documents. In case of any difficulty in submission, it may be emailed to sati.kishore.gov.in along with screenshot of error. National Institute of Animal Biotechnology invites applications from suitably qualified, dynamic, result-oriented and dedicated Indian citizens for filling up of 2 positions of Scientist G. Appointment will be made initially on probation period of 2 years, which may be extended at the discretion of the competent authority. Eligible candidates are required to apply online through the website www.niab.res.in. Last date for receipt of online applications is 17th August 2022 by 5 p.m. For any technical queries while filling the application, please email to recruitment@niab.org.in. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel National Police Academy, Hyderabad invites applications from eligible civil service officers of the state and central governments, including retired officers and other eminent persons from academia, research, etc., for engaging one each visiting professor in law and cyber security subjects for a period of 1 year. Duly filled in applications along with all supporting documents, that is, educational qualification and experience certificates, etc., should reach the concerned authority on or before 25th of August 2022. For detailed advertisement, log on to the website www.svpnpa.gov.in. Medical Superintendent of Safdarjung Hospital, New Delhi, invites applications from the eligible candidates for filling up the following posts on regular basis in Vardhaman Mahavir Medical College and Safdarjung Hospital, New Delhi. 14 posts of OT assistant, 4 posts of plaster technician, and 2 posts of telephone operator. Eligible candidates should submit their application through Speed Post or Registered Post in the prescribed proforma, along with self-attested copies of the testimonials, that is, mark sheets, educational certificates, caste certificate, experience certificate, date of birth certificate, Aadhaar card, passport or voter ID, etc., to the concerned office within 30 days from the date of issue of advertisement in Employment News on any working days, that is, Monday to Friday from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. and on Saturday 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. However, if last date for submission of applications falls on a national holiday, Sunday, or any other holiday declared by the Government of India, the next working day will be assumed as the closing date. In the application form, email ID and phone number must be filled up by the candidate. Candidates are advised to go through the official website of Safdarjung Hospital, New Delhi, that is www.vmmc-sjh.nic.in regularly for updating in the matter. Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for information in English, Rozgar Samachar for information in Hindi, and Rozgar Samachar for information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, and made available on every Saturday.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with Employment News as subject.